Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can research keywords for Pinterest. Keyword research is very important aspect in Pinterest because if you don't do any keyword research and made pins according to your mood, so you cannot grow on Pinterest because we should make the pins on the keywords that people are searching and looking for. So there today in this video I will teach you the first method. So go into, click this business and go into home feed. So let's assume our topic is inspirational quote. Okay, in search button I write here inspirational quotes. Okay, so now these are the keywords inspirational quotes. After that you can click on this inspirational quotes positive. This is the keyword inspirational quote positive wise words. This is a long tail keyword. Inspirational quotes positive wise words spiritual. This is the long tail keywords. So the more keywords, the more work you can on work on long tail keywords, the more result you can get. So after that I will teach you how you can store these keywords and use these keywords. So here I write the main keyword inspirational quotes. Okay, this is the seed keyword, and after that I write here different keywords like this inspirational quotes. So these are the keywords for this. Okay, inspirational quotes positive. After that inspirational quotes, you can see these are the keywords inspirational quotes good morning. After that inspirational quotes daily, because this is in language, uh, that's why I cannot include them. Daily inspirational quotes powerful. So that's it for this keyword, but you can search maximize maximum keywords, because if you collect like 100 to 200 keywords, then this is enough content for 1 year. So after that I search here funny quotes. So there are also different keywords for this, like funny quotes about life, funny quotes in Hindi, in Urdu, funny quotes birthday cake, funny quotes short, funny quotes siblings, funny quotes about life, humor, hilarious, laughing. So you can also analyze these pin that people are making these pins. So you can also analyze these pins and make your pins according to it. So people post just funny quotes, some hype, some people just need a high five, and you can see it is redirecting towards his website. So in the previous video I will show you how you can connect your website to Pinterest account. So we can search one more keyword like nature quotes. So nature quotes Instagram, nature quotes inspirational, nature quotes simple, nature quotes shorts, nature quote mother, aesthetic, adventure, beauty of love. So there are a lot of keywords. So you can when you click on one keyword, then it will become it will show you more keywords like this. And Instagram captions in Hindi, travel. So there is a lot of opportunity. So you can easily find keywords with this search tool of Pinterest. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. And if you have any question, then drop it in the comment section and I will surely answer you. So I will meet you in the next video with another method of keyword research, because keyword research is very important. Our keywords research module is divided into 3 videos. So there are 2 more videos of keyword research, and after that we will uh, make video on another topic. So stay tuned. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.